Okay, for this question, this is actually single unchanged concept. I will tell you why this is single unchanged concept. It is because of this keyword here or the phrase here. At the next stop, 10 females alighted. So you know that in this question, you have females and you have males. However, the question only mentioned that females alighted. So when only one item changes, then it is under single unchanged concept. So one item changes. Right, now we'll go through the question. At first, the number of females on the bus was 50% more than the number of males. So you know that this is our before information. When you want to do single unchanged concept, there are the B, C, A to find out. I have my before. That sentence, this is my before sentence. This one, okay? Then where is the change? The change is at the next stop, 10 females alighted. Alighted means they went down, went off the bus, okay? So which means minus 10 females. This is my change. All right, so this, the one in bracket, red color, is the change. Then what happened as a result? So you know this is the final thing that happened. So 2/5 of the passengers were female. So this is units, this is units. So this is talking or referring to females. So this is my change. Sorry, not my change, this is my after. And then I want to know how many male passengers were there. So I underline already. I have my B, I have my C, I have my A. Now let's work it out one by one. Let's look at the 50%. Okay, so the 50% I'm going to rewrite. 50% is equal to 50 over 100. It's equal to half. Units. Let's go back to the first sentence. The number of females on a bus was 50% more. The females were more than the males. Okay, so I know that the bottom one is the second item, which is males. This is confirmed. The top one is not the female. It is the females more. So the more females, not just females, it's the more females. So more than who? More than the males, correct? So to find my females, it is actually 2 units from the males plus 1 unit. So I have 3 units of females. So all this is my before. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 10 females alighted. So I know lah, this one confirm change. Who changes? Female changes. So confirm, okay. The next one I want to pluck out is my 2/5, my fraction. Okay, which is my after. So 2/5. Units, right? So I know that they say 2/5 of the passengers were female. So 2 is my females. 5 are my passengers. And when I say passengers means I have male plus female. So can I find my male from here? Yes. So males will be, I take my passengers minus my females equals to 3 units. Okay, so this is my males after. So I have all the information lined up for me. What do I do next? I draw out my box. Okay. And then I cut it up into half. Cut up into half. I label it female and male. Okay. Then I will put my before, change, and after. And then I draw my lines to separate them. Then I fill up the information. Okay, so before females is 3 units. 3 units. Before males will be 2 units. So I put that 2 units like that. Okay. Then you know that the change. Who changes? only females alighted. And how many? 10 females. So minus 10. Change. After females is my females after will be 2 units. So I put there 2 units. After males is 3 units. I put there 3 units. Like that. Now we have to work things out. So I know that my female change, but my male is unchanged. So when it is unchanged, the before and after remains the same. Okay, so it should be the same. But if you look at my male and female, the male is 2 units. Sorry, the male under the male column. Okay, the before and after. The male is 2 units before. The male is 3 units after. Cannot be, right? You have to make it the same. Okay, so I times 3, I times 2. So what will happen here? 6 units, and here is also 6 units. So I'm happy. But whatever you do to the male, the female will be affected. So for my before row, I times 3 for my male. I must times 3 for my female. For the after row, I times 2 for the male. I must times 2 for my female. Okay, so this will be 9 units. This will be 4 units. Okay, now I'm happy already. Now, I want to find how many units represent these 10 females who alighted. I want to know how many units. What do? I take the difference between the before and after for females, which means I take 9 units minus 4 units equals to 5 units. That represents 10. Okay, so you put it out. 5 unit represent 10 females. 1 unit is 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. How many male passengers were there? Look at your male. How many units is the male? 6 unit. This is what I want, right? So 6 unit is 6 times 2 equals to 12. There you go. Single unchanged concept.